Good afternoon, all of you. How are you? Again, we will start 10th class after exercise with 6.2 subject mathematics. I am thinking like this you are doing well at your home, also your homework and other things. Now, you know criteria for two triangle are similar. We have to read about like this. This is a triangle. What triangle? A, B, C, and another triangle. What triangle? D, E, and F. These are two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar like this. Angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and side are in the same ratio. Side are in the same ratio, meaning AB by AE, AB by D, sorry, not AE, is equal to AC by DF is equal to AC by is equal to BC by EF, and we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Understood? We cannot write like this. We cannot write like this. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD. This is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, we can write like this. Triangle BCA is similar to triangle EFD. In this similarity, corresponding must need, otherwise in this criteria, in this way you can write. And up to now, to prove two triangle are similar, we need to prove corresponding angle are equal, side are in the same ratio. But like that meaning in congruency, we are having some rule. Which rule? ASA, SAS, triple S, and RHS. As you know, a triangle contains 6 elements. So with the help of 3 elements, we can say this triangle is congruent to this triangle. All are here 3 elements. Okay, so like the same way here also we want to prove that triangle is all the 3 angle, or you can say 2 angle of one triangle is equal to the 2 angle of another triangle, then the 2 triangle are similar. So activity given after this activity you can read. If anywhere problem through SMS or through WhatsApp, you can send me message, I can repeat it. Otherwise I am starting this theorem which 6.3. What's the name of theorem? 6.3, chapter number 6. Chapter number 6. Saying like this, what saying? If two triangle corresponding angle are equal. Saying what saying? If in two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, and hence two triangles two triangles are similar. Saying like this, up to now we need to prove two triangles are congruent. We have to prove all three angles of one triangle is equal to all the three angles of another triangle, and side are also need in same ratio. But after this theorem, you can say the two angle of a triangle, or you can say three angle of one triangle is equal to the three angle of another triangle, then two triangle are similar. And this what saying? This criteria is saying angle similar property. What saying? Angle similarity. So now proof of it. Before proof, you need to write given. Given you can write two triangle take. What you can take? Two triangle. What's their name? A, B, C, D, E, F. Right? Two triangle A, B, C and triangle D, E, F, such that angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. This is given to you, and this is given to you. Then to prove is what? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Understood till here? After this, proof. Here two triangles, again making ABC and triangle what? DEF. You can say let, what you can let? DE is greater than AB and DF is greater than AC, or a vice versa. It's meaning AB is greater than DE, AC is greater than DF. But we are taking this case. Then after this cut DP equal to AB. Here this is a point P. What is this? Point P. DP equal to AB and DQ is equal to AC. This point is Q. Join P and Q. Understood? So now triangle ABC and triangle DPQ both are congruent or not? Both are congruent. By which rule? SAS congruencies. If anybody don't understood, you can say AB equal to DP, AC equal to DQ, angle A equal to angle D. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Yes or no? So what's its meaning? Its meaning is what? Angle B equal to angle P and angle C equal to angle Q. but angle B equal to angle E, and what? Angle C equal to angle F. So this is your first and this is your second. From first and second we get what you get? Angle P equal to angle E and angle Q equal to angle F. Therefore PQ is parallel to EF. Yes or no? This angle equal to this angle equal to this angle. It's meaning PQ is parallel to EF. Therefore, what if PQ is parallel to EF? DP by what? PE is equal to DQ by QF. By which theorem? By theorem 6.2. You have to write statement here. Understood? But DP equal to AB and DQ equal to AC. Therefore AB by PE, AB by PE and AC by QF. Understood? So what you can write? AB by DE written, DY written here. This implies AB, or you can write next step PE. You can write that AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Why? Reason here. This you have to solve. Converse of its reverse its PE by what? DP. What you need? PE by DP is equal to QF by DQ. So what you can add 1 in it? P by dP plus 1 is equal to QF by DQ plus 1. So what's become? PE plus dP by dP is equal to QF plus DQ by DQ. What is this? PE plus dP. This is equal to what? DE by dP is equal to what? QF plus DQ. So what's become? DF by DQ. Again inverse of it, converse of its inverse, so it's become dP by DE is equal to DQ by DF by DF. So after this, come here, put in place of dP what? AB. So AB by DE and AC by AC is what? DQ is equal to this. Therefore sides are in same ratio of two triangles. Its meaning is what? Its meaning is this: AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is equal to which side? Let BC by EF. By the same procedure, what you can say, or here you can write similarly, what you can say? AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Hence, two triangles are what? Similar to each other. This is the proof of this. So after this theorem, if you can prove triangle of one triangle is equal to the triangle of another triangles, then also two triangles are similar. So this criteria is saying angle criteria of similarity of two triangle. After this theorem 6.4, it's given if two triangles side of two triangles side of one triangle are proportional to the side of another triangle, then their corresponding side are, hence the two triangles are equal. Its meaning converse of this theorem. Converse of this theorem is this: if the two triangles having side are in the same ratio, then the two triangles are similar. That we can do in next lecture. Thank you all of you. If any problem, discuss me. Do your work properly at your home and stay at your home. Thank you.